Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to remove the watermark from my video in Pictory. So let's get started. Step 1. Storyblocks watermark. So these pesky watermarks on your visuals and previews disappear once your video is generated. So don't worry, your final video will be watermark free. Step 2. Pictory watermark branding. If you are on a free trial, the Pictory watermark is there. But with any of Pictory paid plans, it vanishes, giving your videos a professional touch. So to experience a difference by subscribing to Pictory's paid plans, say goodbye to watermarks and elevate your video content on Pictory. Then turn your videos into stunning visuals without the distractions of watermarks. If you're interested, then watch my video on how to buy and customize premium plan in Pictory. I will provide the link below. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.